Okay, so we're back at our keyhole shape. The next thing I need to do is I need to make my arch up here. So I'm going to start by getting a center point circle, center diameter circle, and I'm just going to draw the circle somewhere. Make it a diameter of 5 millimeters. I'm going to drag that out so it's easier to see. And I want the distance between the center of the circle and the top here to be 1.5. So I'm going to just click on both of these centers and I'm going to type in 1.5 millimeters. I'm going to zoom in on this now. Now, what I want to actually do is I want to cut. So I can use the trim tool and I can cut this away. Whoops. Clicked on the wrong thing. Trim tool, and I'm going to hover over here. I can cut that out. But what I also want to do is I want to cut out the section of the circle down here so I can make it a straight line. And you can see that I can't select it yet because there's no line going across here to kind of separate these two parts of the circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and get my offset tool and I'm going to click on just so you actually need to first, in this particular case, I just want to select that line. So you need to select it first and then get the offset tool. And I'm going to make the distance 1.5. So it's basically cutting the circle across there. And I'm going to select that and I'm going to make it a construction line. So that way it's not going to end up getting cut out on a laser cutter. Now I can go get my trim tool and I can trim these two parts out here. And now what I need to do is draw straight lines going down here that are 90 degrees to this and tangent to that. So I'm going to go get my straight line. And for this one, I'm just going to draw a line, something like that. So to make it go straight down, I need it to basically continue this curve. So that's called being tangent to the circle. So I'm going to click on my circle, I'm going to click on this line, and it will make it tangent. For the other one, actually, for the other one, let's do a mirror. So let's go mirror. I'm going to select this. And I'm going to go down here to my axes, which is hiding down here somewhere. There, click on mirror line. There's my mirror line. And click OK. So now I have got my two lines, so I can go get my trim tool, and I'll just trim out the parts that I don't want to see. Like that. Now all of these dimension lines are kind of bugging me, as is this construction line. So over here in my sketch panel, I can actually turn off dimensions and I can turn off construction geometries. If these constraint icons are bugging me, I can turn those off as well, so you can get a much better sense of what you're working with. So there's my keyhole.